Hello, everyone. In this video, we will talk about features of HarmonyOS 4.0. On the 4th of August, during the conference, Yu Chengdong announced, the smart assistant Xiaoyi has now integrated AI capabilities from large-scale models. In his own words, Yu Chengdong announced, Xiaoyi's intelligence has been enhanced, and its efficiency has been improved. Unlike the past, when it could only receive single, specific commands. In HarmonyOS 4.0, Xiaoyi the AI assistant possesses a more human-friendly form of communication. Xiaoyi in HarmonyOS 4.0 has the capability to process logical and ambiguous instructions. For example, like this: every day at 7 a.m. Wake me up for work. If it's raining, wake me up half an hour earlier and inform me about the traffic conditions to the office. During work hours from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Set the phone to vibrate. Set it to silent from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch break. Oh, by the way, make sure I hear my phone rings when my mom calls. That's it. Xiaoyi will intelligently organize and create a workday mode corresponding to the user. It will not only set alarms based on the weather conditions during work hours, the phone will also automatically enter a do not disturb mode, and it won't miss any important calls. It's worth mentioning that Xiaoyi is also Huawei's first voice assistant, modestly equipped with the capabilities of the Halo large model. Huawei has also introduced a near-field wireless connection technology called StarFlash. Compared to Bluetooth technology, the power consumption is reduced by 60%. The transmission rate is increased by 6, with lower latency. A more stable connection, with enhanced anti-interference capability. Coverage distance is increased by 21 times, and the number of connections is doubled. It can provide a more powerful and secure connection for HarmonyOS IoT.